Hey, my friends, it's Dirk here, and today I got a question from somebody asking where you could download or use Elmessenger Pro. It's simple. So, if you opted in for Elmessenger Pro, you got an email with your login details. But you also have to have the extension to use it within Chrome and within Facebook and Messenger. So, first of all, you go to Chrome and there you go to Chrome Web Store. And here you can search the store for oh, Messenger Pro. So here you have it. So already I have it installed in Chrome. You can see it here. But if you don't have it already, you can download it here. And after you did that, you can pin it. So it should be here in your menu. And here you can pin it or unpin it. So after that, you can put it wherever you like. I like to have it in the beginning. So here you can log in with your email and password, the email you use to opt in for Elmessenger Pro. And if you forgot your password, you can get a new one here. So let me show you how it looks. My email and my password. There you go. I'm logged in. So next video, I'm going to show you some more tips on how to use Elmessenger Pro. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.